Good luck.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Hey everybody. Well, I came here to get some pie or like some ice cream, a la mode. They don't have any. They're all out. And I got kicked out for causing a scene. So I'm gonna hop in the car and I'll go try to find something sweet somewhere else. Hey everybody, welcome back to Garfield of the Week. Another beautiful day, another awesome Sunday, and there's a new Garfield. I'm starving. I've got like the weirdest craving for just sugar right now. I can't, and nothing's tasting good. Just gonna sit down and I'll read you today's Garfield, which has a weird hidden detail in it that I don't think most readers are gonna recognize. So I gotta point it out to you. God, it's just not sweet enough. Here in some park, I don't know where. I just found it. All right, well, let's get on with today's Garfield. So, as I said, a weird detail. It's like a little hidden secret. So, the comic starts with the title panel. Simple stuff. We've all been here. It says Garfield. It's a title panel. It says Garfield. Garfield's being assaulted by a fly. A common housefly. He's mad. He's got a newspaper, and he's swinging and swinging and swishing and swishing and swashing, and he just can't get it. Finally, in the second to last panel, John has arrived with a plate of spaghetti and meatballs and a big salad. John laughs at Garfield, and Garfield does not like the transgression, nor the mockery. Garfield is not a fan of mockery when it's pointed at him. And so in the last panel, Garfield has taken the spaghetti and meatballs and the salad, and he's attacked John with it. Now, the secret here is that if you look very closely at the way that the spaghetti and meatballs and the salad and the newspaper that Garfield was holding have arranged themselves upon John's face and head, it resembles that of a fly. So Garfield has turned him into a fly, which is insane. These are not things that you can do in today's current world of science, unless somebody was coming up with some kind of weird sort of teleportation device and a fly got in there and maybe their DNA got mixed. I'm not sure. I'm not a scientist. I don't know. I'll show you. Did anybody notice this? Did you see that? That's crazy. Now that's what we call a callback, because Garfield was fighting with a fly. I do not feel good. I really need some sugar. I really want some sugar right now, and I don't know what it is. Nobody would sell me sugar. I literally went to the grocery store before this, and they kicked me out again for unruly behavior. I don't know. I'll just drink some more water, I guess. Ah! Oh, God. Ugh. All right, well, I'm going to keep walking this trail. Thanks for tuning in to Garfield of the Week. Have yourself a righteous week and be nice to yourself. And be nice to as many other people as you can, because it's really fun being nice to people. It pays off dividends, I will tell you that. See ya. It's nice out today. Actually, I can't believe how nice it is right now. What is this? What? Look at this. It's just exercise equipment on this trail. That's pretty cool. Oh, cool. Look. It's a little beaver dam over there. We are heading back to the car. Heading back to the car because I'm running out of time. Thanks for joining me on this little jaunt. Thanks for joining me for Garfield of the Week. And I know I already said it, but make sure that you are nice to yourself. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. All right. Let's climb back up to my car. There it is. All its glory. Wonderful. All right. Catch you guys later.